4-3 work together. It says Omar Bourget owns a service business that uses the previous accounts. The separate amounts on each line of the journal have already been posted. We're going to post the journal's special amount column totals. It does give us a hint. Make sure there is a post reference for each column total in the journal. So here's our journal. We've already gone through and we've posted all the individual accounts. So notice our post reference column is filled with either account numbers or check marks. Now what we're going to do is we're going to post our total amounts. So first we're going to look at our general debit total. Remember, we don't have an account to post that to. We don't have a general account, okay? So there, we're simply going to put a check mark. We want to put a check mark so it shows that it's not that we forgot to post it. It's just that we don't need to post that. Same thing with our general credit total. Okay, next we have our sales credit total. So that's going to go to our sales account. So we're going to find our sales account. We're going to put in our date, which is, April 30th. Nothing goes into our item column. Our post reference is going to be our journal page number. So we're on journal page 1. And then sales, this is a credit, sales credit. So I'm going to credit that account for $447. My new account balance then, will be $447 credit. My last step is to bring my account number 410 back up underneath that total, showing that I have posted that total. Okay, next is my cash debit total. So I'm going to go to my cash account. I'm going to start with my date, April 30th. My journal page is page 1. Okay, this time I have a debit to cash. So $2,890. My new balance then is a debit of $2,890. And my last step is taking that account number 110 and putting it underneath my total that I just posted. Okay, my last total is my cash credit total. So again, I'm in my cash account. I start with my date, journal page 1. This time it is a credit, so $1,170. And I need to find my new balance. Since I have a debit and a credit, I'm going to subtract. Now, my balance is going to be whatever number is higher, which is a debit. So 1,720 should be my debit balance. Last step, account number 110 goes underneath that number that we just posted. Okay, now when I look, my post reference column is filled. Underneath my totals is filled. That tells me I'm done with my posting. I'm going to go ahead and say check answer. And I'm save and continue. You can now go on to your 4-3 on your own if you have time.